Hello everyone, welcome to RGBlink YouTube channel. This is Luke. It's great to see everyone here again. And these videos, I want to show you the latest firmware with the huge upgrades for streamZ studio functions. Okay, so in past couple weeks, we have done some major improvement for the studio functions, including we add more video layers, which means you can add up to 4 camera sources to your program outputs. So you can show all your inputs, all your cameras at the same time on your channel, on your streaming. And we also add, allows you to input more graphic layers, that including the still graphic layer and the motion pictures. So you can be more creative about the source you're choosing, and you can use them as the lowester, logos, captations, whatever you want. And it will be super easy to create those files. Okay, I'll show later. And lastly, now you can play with your audio files and the video files. You can add MP3 files as your background music, or use as your something like a special sound effects to be played during your streamings. And you can use video files, MP3 files, add to your stream and use them as some kind of animations you want to use, or use them as background video files. Again, all these functions, all those improvements we have done is for you to easily to manage your streamings, and allows you to be more creative. And with all this and with the studio functions on streamZ, you will be creating your own special streaming channels, which will be your own studios. And again, you will allow you to create multiple preset themes, and which you can switching between them during your streaming. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into our main topic. Let me show you the demo of the latest firmware with the studio functions. Okay? And I got my streamZ here, right here. Okay, so let's go to my webpage of streamZ. Okay, same as before, I have all my sources connected. 4 sources: cameras, and phone, and the HDMI inputs. Now let's go to my live here. You can see right now I have a single full screen video input from one of my USB cameras. Okay, then let's go to the studio option here. Quick studios. Right now you can see a lot of fun choices option you can do here. Okay, let's see the layout here. So on the left will be all your what we call a signal list, or you can call it as a layer list. Okay, this will show you all the layers you are currently using for the preset 1, scene 1, and you can do delete or enable, disable them. Okay, and on the right side here, you got all the options for different values, position of the layers, size. You can do rotations, change it into different rotate the sources with different angles, and adjust the image size, mirror, and adjust the layer orders, and of course chroma key. Okay, so I have just created a very simple presets as my scene 1, and let's do a new one, and just click add scene here. Well, the first time you create a new thing, it will load up what we call a template or a pre-stored layout with multiple sources. Okay, so after it load, it kind of show you how it's being done as a finished layouts, and you can use them as example to guide you through how to create your own studios, own presets in this way. The new templates, the new layout created will contain multiple sources, including motion pictures, videos, and of course you can see here, right here. Okay, we got all these including video input sources, background pictures, and more pictures, and more texts you can create it. Okay, so this is the final result of what we did as a default template. Okay, let's delete or clear all this, and let's start from scratch. Okay, first of all, I want to add, well, at least 2 video sources. So I want to choose my camera 1 as my main sources. So I'm gonna make it full screen. Okay, everything looks okay. I don't want to use chroma key here. Sure, why not? Let's do it. Let's try the chroma key, since I have a green sheet right behind me. Let's enable the chroma keys. Okay. Well, since I have enabled a chroma key, I want to have a background sources. Lights here not okay, so let's try to have another sources. Input 2 as my sub cameras. I'm gonna put in the corner right here. Okay, just a size. You can use your mouse to just directly drag this to do scale, or you can input the exact number of the size you want for the width and the height. Okay, so let's put it here. Okay, so that's my 2 video sources for my 2 cameras, and I want to add, well, a music. Let's start with music. So I have already uploaded music sources right here. Let me add it here. So all this, including the music, MP3, MP4, or the graphic file, you have to preload it to the streamZ itself. So you don't have to reload it or just brought it from your local disk or computer storage. Okay, and let's add local videos. Okay, I have 1 videos, beautiful videos I like, and I'm gonna on my top left corner right here. Okay, now let's do some photos. Right, I want to add 2 more photos as an example. Okay, this still image could be your logo. Okay, could be your well, your name tag, or could be your channel logos or your personal logos. Okay, if you have any, add another one. Okay, like. Okay, so for this 2 still image files, so remember, we can do, oops. For these 2 image files here, what we can do is to do a chroma key, because make it transparent. Sometimes for you is a little bit hard to make a PNG file to make it transparent. No worry, you can use the chroma key functions on streamZ Studios to make from a blue background to a transparent. For example, right here, we're gonna make taking advantage of the chroma key and make it transparent. Now I got a transparent logo. And for this one, I'm gonna choose the color green. Okay. Now I have 2 transparent logo I can put right here. Okay. And of course, as we speak, we can add motion picture right here. Okay, this is some a GIF file I made for the streamZ. So I think that's everything. Okay, as one more text, right? Okay, you can just type anything right here, and you can adjust the size. Type anything, and you have all other attributes here. You can try choosing your font, styles, the size, positions. Well, okay, just right here. So this will be something you can create. You can spend some time, spend a lot of time even, okay, to find a perfect way to create your your own studio, okay, your own streaming type, okay. So after you're happy with your result, just press apply here. Now it will save everything to on the streamZ. Okay. Then during the now you got it. Okay, now you see everything. I got a video files here, and I got 2 camera sources right here, and I got the 2 still picture as my logo and properly lower thirds with chroma key function. My text, my motion picture right here. Okay, so this is, and remember where I had a full screen, very simple preset here. Okay, you can switch in between them. Okay, well, you can create 3, 4, and 5 and more presets here. And as your streaming goes on, you can choose which one you want to present to your audience, and you can then take the full advantage of all the things saved on streamZ. Okay, and you can see the audio jumping up and down. This is the audios from our MP3 file. Okay, so that's the process you have to go through to make your presets. Okay, so let's see how it works during the actual streamings to different platforms, and how the switching between the outputs, between different things, how it works. Okay, so let's just start with the streaming, and now I'm gonna set up my YouTube streamings, and I'm gonna show you how it works on the actual outputs. Okay. It's gonna take a few seconds to set up. And remember, we can do 4K 6 direct streaming on YouTube. And this is, well, I would say this is wild, because now you have the tool to do 4K streaming. It will be beautiful to streaming high resolution, high quality videos to your channel for all these audience you have. Okay, now it's all set. Okay, let's bring out my. Okay, so right here on the right side, now it's my studio channel. Okay, and here is the streamZ. Okay. Let's do some sync switchings and see how it works on the actual outputs. Got a few second delay here, don't worry. And you will see this, the switching between each thing is, well, it's seamless. You won't see any cut, or you won't see any drop frame or black frame. Okay, that's it. And I check out the streaming right here, and you got the option of the 4K all the way. Okay, if you have in bandwidth, why not try 4K 60 to bring the best, well, audio, to bring out the best video quality to your audience. Okay, also. Now you will be able to hear the background music from the MP3 files we just uploaded. I'll have to switch to the, sorry. I have to switch to the thing I just created. Yeah, this is something you could forget during streaming, so you have to keep monitoring the pages. You have to make sure which preset you are at, and you can know what kind of content or which layout you are streaming to your presented to your audience. Okay, so yeah. Okay, now you got the audios with the background music. Let's turn that off. So that's the actual results of streaming to YouTube. Okay, that's back. Okay, so something else I want to show you. Remember, you can see. After I started the streamings, the recording is also on, and I believe in previous videos we talked about the IS recording here. Now, okay, let's start our streamings and just check out the recordings during your actual streamings, how it looks like. Okay, go to. So you're gonna stop the recording and streamings first, and go to the about the files. and you're gonna go to record, and those are the files just recorded with 4 input sources and the program outputs. You can click check and how it works, and also you can download it directly to your computers. And this is 4K. Check out our recording settings. We're recording the HDMI program outputs, so the program output as 4K and all input sources as Full HD. Okay. So that's everything I want to cover for these videos. And when you got your streamZ connect to network, make sure you're gonna search for the latest firmwares and do the upgrades, and you will find this very useful, powerful functions from streamZ, from RGBlink streamZ. And yeah, spend some time and have fun with it. And I believe you can make more special content and in a special way with your creative thoughts, and bring your own studios, streaming studios, to life and present it to your audience. Okay, thank you for watching these videos, and again, make sure you subscribe, share, and like our videos. Thank you. Bye.